Hi scholars! Today we're going to be learning about mapping tools. We're specifically going to be learning about that inside of Active Classroom. If you click on the Learn It link, it will take you to the Active Classroom icon, and you will simply do as the instructions say, click on the Active Classroom icon, and it will open up a screen in Active Classroom that should look a lot like this. The title will show Geographic Tools, and underneath Geographic Tools, you see a box that says Big Ideas. The first question is, what is geography? Second question says, name 5 tools that geographers use. And the third question says, why are these tools useful? These are 3 questions, or actually one statement, that you will need to keep in the back of your mind while you're reading through this. You can write these on a piece of paper, maybe take notes on this information. The quiz, Prove It quiz inside of Schoology has this information inside of it, so you'll need to be able to answer a couple of questions about this. Then after that, it will give you an overview of what geography is. Let's take a look at that together, and then you can read the rest on your own. It says, geography is the study of the earth. It includes the earth's land, water, climate, soil, plant life, and animal life. Geographers are people who study geography. You can think of yourself as a geographer because you will be studying the earth and how people who live on the earth respond to changes. Geographers use many different types of tools in their study of earth. Maps, grids, charts, tables, and graphs are geographic tools that provide information, important information, about places on earth. The next few sections are going to be specifically about the geographic tools geographers use to study the earth. You will take a look at parts of a map, reference maps, and thematic maps, relative and absolute location, finding places on a map, grid systems, latitude and longitude, lines of longitude, latitude and longitude addresses, charts and tables, using graphs, line graphs, bar graphs, and that is it. All right, just a reminder that your Active Classroom has a built-in reader to you. So at the very top, you can start reading by simply clicking this button right up here that says Enable Speech, and Active Classroom will read this article to you. After this article, you can head back over to Schoology or head back over to assignments inside of Active Classroom, and you can take a look at the practice it part. You're going to put your active or your mapping knowledge that you just gained from that article into action. Under the practice it section, there's a quick quiz. It's not actually a quiz, it's just application of your knowledge. It's going to ask you questions about maps, charts, graphs, things like that specific to Texas, and you can apply the knowledge that you used inside of that. When you're finished with the practice it part of Active Classroom, you can simply click on Prove It and answer a couple of questions about graphing tools. Then you'll be finished with today's assignment. Happy Tuesday!